Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Asri Hirzi, and now I will explain to you about voice sound and voiceless sound. Voice sound is the vocal cord vibrate when the sound is produced. There is a vibration of the vocal cord, and the voiceless sound is the vocal cord don't vibrate when the sound is produced. There is not vibration of the vocal cord. Jadi, voice sounds itu adalah jika kalian mengucapkan kata tersebut maka ada getaran di sini. Dan voiceless itu sebaliknya, tidak ada getaran. For now, I will explain to you about voice sound and voiceless sound. Voice sound. Loved, loved, pulled, seemed, claimed, bright, deserved. And now voiceless sound. Loved, kissed, voiced, fraught, much, match, loved. Oke, sekarang untuk berakhiran id dan dibaca id-nya itu untuk kata yang berakhiran t dan d. For example, wanted, batted, visited. Okay. From now, I will explain to you about silent sound. Silent sound itu adalah ada huruf dalam satu kata yang tidak dibaca dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke. Langsung aja ke contoh-contohnya ya. Depth, fascinate, interesting, rain, take, book, talk, wake, hour, echo, knowledge, sound, walk, atom, psychology, eyelid, hazel, build, write, and answer. Okay. Thanks for attention.